Okay, guys. The stuff we've been going over, they've actually been giving us the equations, and we've been going from the equations to graph things and find points and solutions, that kind of stuff. Now they're going to ask us to actually write the equation. Okay? And there's something that I want us to remember. Oh, pen's not working. How about this? That the y-intercept always has an x-coordinate of 0. Remember when we graphed using the intercepts method, if we wanted to find the x-intercept, we'd make y0. If we wanted to find the y-intercept, we'd make x0. So I want us to remember the y-intercept has an x-coordinate of 0. So if I look at these 2 points that we're going to start with here, one of them has an x where the coordinate is 0, and that's this point here. So you can see the y-intercept is actually 4. Now, if I want to write a linear equation, there are 2 things I need. I need the slope, and I need the y-intercept. Well, in this case, I have the slope. I'm sorry, not the slope. I have the y-intercept. It's 4. Okay, because remember, the y-intercept has an x-coordinate of 0, so I know that this thing is the y-intercept, and it's 4. And since they gave me 2 points, I can use that to find the slope, because remember, the slope is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. And guys, you know how I like to use my parentheses. Get them down there first, right? And then I'm going to fill them in. So I do 4 minus 6, right? The 2 y's. And then 0 minus 1. Oh, didn't go up there. Okay, 0 minus, not negative, minus 1. So that's going to give me negative 2 over negative 1. That means that the slope is equal to positive 2. Alright, so I'm going to go back up here. I know that the slope is 2. Well, remember, guys, y is equal to mx plus b. That's the slope-intercept form of the equation. And I have what these values are now. I know that this needs to be 2x, and this needs to be 4. So the equation of the line that goes through these 2 points, that is the points 1, 6, right, and 0, 4, the equation of that line is y equals 2x plus 4. Whoa, that's kind of crazy looking. Why don't I just do this? There. And that's our answer. That is the equation of the line that goes through those 2 points. Okay. Good job, guys. We're going to talk about that. We're going to do some problems like that coming up and practice that kind of stuff. But that's whenever we want to write an equation of a line, we need 2 things. We need the slope and we need the y-intercept. And then we can write the equation of the line. All right. Good job, guys.